Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Desiree. Today we're going to be getting a lot done in the house, so if you're in need of some cleaning motivation, please watch. I didn't film too much of me cleaning the kitchen or the living room, so here are just some before and afters. These are some boxes of shoes that I still have not organized from us moving, so I'm going to go ahead and do that today. And this is just all the stuff that I needed to carry upstairs just to put away and organize. If you have sensitive skin like mine, a good alternative is wool dryer balls and essential oil. It helps with the static and it keeps your clothes smelling really, really good. The lint tray needed to be deep cleaned really good. This was like just gunk stuck on from the previous tenants, so I went ahead and just cleaned it really good, and it helped so much, like with the smell of the laundry, because it kind of smelled like dog hair before, and then after cleaning it really good, it smells so good now. It was that time of the week where my nails were just ready to come off, so I just took most of them off. I like to make my own glass cleaner, and guys, I swear by this. It's literally just like 90% alcohol and then a little bit of water, and you shake it and it works amazing. I had to really dig inside of the lint tray just to get all of that extra lint out. It was crazy. I was trying to see if the mirror squeegee or like a paper towel would work better to clean it, and honestly, the paper towel worked way better. I bought these under the bed organizers from Target, and they were so cheap. They were less than $5. They were on clearance actually. And I love them. I was hoping I could get some in black, but I actually like this color a lot more. But this is just such a great solution because I didn't want to have like a shoe organizer for the door, so under the bed was perfect. I tried to separate the shoes by season, so like the summer shoes with the summer shoes and then the fall winter shoes with the fall winter shoes, and I think I did a pretty good job. I feel like the song that I chose for right now makes it seem like it's going so much faster than it is, but I don't know. I like the song. It sounded fun. That was everything that got done today. Way more than I had hoped and expected. Don't forget to like and comment and share and subscribe. I hope that this was motivating for you guys. As always, I'll see you later.